Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by gathering all legally required documents so your application isn't delayed. Prepare a notarized affidavit that clearly states your old name, new name, and reason. This forms the core legal statement. Once done, take clear photocopies and 2 passport photos for submission, and write concise newspaper ad copy. Many offices require the ad text up front. Make sure ID and certificates match dates and spellings to avoid verification rejections later. You now move to filing. Complete the prescribed application form and attach your notarized affidavit, ID proofs, and photos. Then submit to the state Gazette office or designated publishing authority. Pay the required fee and secure a receipt with an application reference number. This tracks your case. If the process requires a newspaper advertisement, either arrange publication through their approved channels or provide proof of prior publication, so the Gazette can proceed with notification and verify. You finish by collecting the official Gazette notification once published. Obtain certified copies for legal use. Use that Gazette copy to update your passport, bank records, driving license, and other government documents. Each agency will accept the Gazette as proof. If publication or issuance is delayed, contact the Gazette office with your receipt and application reference. Ask for status, required corrections, or instructions for resubmission so you can resolve verification holds quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.